Hello everyone. Today we will solve a mathematical problem based on AFT model. So we are given, suppose that the shape parameter of baseline Weibull is known to be 1.2, controlling relevant covariates, the regression coefficient of gender given 1 for female, 0 for male in the Weibull AFT model is 0.15. Find the hazard ratio for gender and comment on that. First of all, you have to understand our main target is to find hazard ratio, and we are given two major information. One is the shape parameter of any general Weibull distribution is 1.2. Another shape parameter that we are given 0.15. This is also coefficient for gender, and it is actually based on AFT. When there will be covariates, then uh, uh, this coefficient will be applied. This shape parameter will be applied. So another important information is the Weibull distribution. So the functionalities will be here applied on Weibull distribution. First of all, we have given a major information, given info. So first information is the shape parameter that is given, shape parameter. Say beta is 0, it's 1.2 given. Another shape parameter given, but it is for AFT. Okay, and I can wrote it like AFT for beta, and it is actually 0.15. Yeah. So few more information that given, it is one for female, 0 for male. Now female for 1, male for 0. This is the gender information. So we have this information. Another major information, I said this is a Weibull distribution. This is a Weibull distribution. Anywhere you found Weibull distributions, few characteristics you have to also found, and it is the PDF. We denote F naught T, and it is lambda beta, lambda T, beta minus 1 e to the power minus lambda T whole to the power beta. Why not? Because without covariate. Next information from this PDF, in my previous video I show how to find the CDF, and it is nothing but 1 minus e to the power minus lambda T whole to the power beta. And what is survival of T? And it is nothing but e to the power minus lambda T whole to the power beta. Okay, so these are the major information comes with the Weibull distribution. Now what we have to found, our major object is to find hazard ratio. Okay, so what is hazard ratio? Actually is hazard ratio is nothing but two hazard ratios. First one, say H of female of T given X, what the value of this female is 1. Denominator male given T, X is equal to 0, because 0. You can shuffle it. You can take male at the numerator, female at the denominator. It is whatever your choice, but it will differ in the part of interpretation. Okay, now we take this situation, and this is our actual goal to find out. So first, what we have to find is H of female T, X is 1. We know that for hazard, it is nothing but H naught of T. It is nothing but H naught of T, e to the power minus X prime beta, e to the power minus X prime beta. So that comes from the formula that we are like to use in AFT, basically in AFT. So every beta is here. You can write it like AFT. So this is AFT. Okay, every beta will be AFT now, right now. at the in shortly I can use A only. I can use A, B, A, subscript as A. Okay, right now, fair enough. I have to put this one value. What will get? T to the power. If I put 1 in spite of this x, I will get minus beta A. Okay, and e to the power minus beta A. Similarly, similarly, the next one is h of male t given x is equal to 0. What I will have? H naught e to the power minus 0, then e to the power minus 0. So what we will have? H naught of t as e to the power 0 is 1, and this will be 1. So I will found this one, H naught t. Now what is H naught t from the Weibull part? See, H naught t is defined as F naught t, S naught t, and what is F naught t? This one, lambda beta lambda t to the power beta minus 1 e to the power minus lambda t whole to the power beta, and S naught t, this one, e to the power minus lambda t whole to the power beta. Cancelling this part, what I will get? Lambda t whole to the power beta minus 1. So this is H naught t. Right now I have to find out the next one is so now I have to find this function value. So how can we do that? H naught t e to the power beta A is equal to lambda t e to the power beta A beta minus 1, sorry. So that is the value of this. All right, okay, fair enough. Now I found these two values, so I'm ready to find this one. So I will do it right now. HR, I was h of f t given x is equal to 1, h of male t given x is equal to 0. So what I was with? I was with this one. This one's value I created. So I will write lambda t to the power minus beta A beta minus 1, and there is a little part here in that part, e to the power beta A. Okay, e to the power minus beta A. All right, fair enough. And right now at the denominator it will be h of t, and what was the h of t? H naught t, this is one, lambda t whole to the power beta minus 1. Now be ready. So this one cancel. So what I can write? Lambda t beta minus 1, sorry, this one I can write again. I can write e to the power beta A beta minus 1 e to the power beta A. So that's what I can write actually. Yeah, the next one, so at the denominator it will be lambda t beta minus 1. This part will be cancelled, and we will remain it this only part, and it is nothing but e to the power minus beta A beta minus beta A, and this is e to the power beta A, and after that e to the power beta A beta minus beta A plus that will be, sorry, this will be plus, and this will be minus beta A. This will be plus. So this one will be cancelled. We will remain it beta A beta. So this is actually the hazard ratio, and this hazard ratio, now as I already given in my previous so we found beta 1.2 and beta AFT 0.15. So e to the power beta AFT was 0.15 and into 1.2, and it will be e to the power minus 0.18, which is approximately 0.836. So we get our answer, and in percentage, if you convert it, you will find uh, someone like actually you will find something 84 point something. This was the ratio that the percentage you will find. And the interpretation, mostly important, the interpretation is that uh, this means that the females have about 16.4% lower hazard than the males, controlling for other covariates. Other words, in simple words, females tends to survive longer than the males. Female tends to survive longer than males. Thank you very much.